Hello, Sophie. I wanted to help you get your cursive license. So I do have you a couple things I want you to do. So looking at your paper, notice that your Q and your U they need to be connected. So let me try this. Oh dear. There we go. It needs to look like Q, U. I guess you can watch me do that whole thing. But a Q, U, I need you to practice putting both of those together. Okay. Next one I need you to practice. I know this is fun. I'm trying anyway. Okay, is your F-O. So your F and how your O's, it looks like you kind of went over the top. But O's need to look like this. So when you F, your O's, you have to kind of go over the top and then meet at the top. So F, make sure you hit the line. O's, you go back, you trace over. And then the next one. I hope you can see that. I don't know if you can see that. Should I try again? Notice. Okay. Okay, I need you to practice your THs. T's, they look like, hello. You're going to need to do a T, bump the line, and an H. But make sure it comes back down and bumps the line. That one wasn't as good. Oops, kind of big. But make sure they're connected. Not as good. That one, the H is a little bit too big. Kind of tricky, but even to get my slant. But they do need to be connected. Remember to try as best as you can not to lift your pencil on small letters. It is fun. Okay, your next one needs to be your LAs. You can see that you're lifting you're picking up your pen. You really should try not to pick up your pen. Okay, so it goes L-A, L-A. Try to make those connect. Practice on connecting those letters. Okay, I don't know if you've practiced some letters like O, you have to go halfway over and come back around and meet it. Same with the D. And all those special letters, you have to make sure you retrace back over.